Welcome back. The 4th of July is the perfect time to host a backyard party or summer soiree. So I caught up with entertaining expert Paul Zahn to get some ideas on how to impress your guests and do it all by yourself. Today, we're going to show you how to throw a red, white, and blue party with our pal here, Paul Zahn. You can do this at the pool. You can do this by a patio. Today, we're at the pool. Where are we?
We are at the Andaz West Hollywood, the highest rooftop pool in all of Los Angeles, their newly renovated pool. And it is a beautiful setting, isn't it, Danny?
Yeah, I want to jump in the pool. But before we get to that, if you cannot be here, we're going to show you how to do this at home. So where do we start, Paul?
We are starting with decor. We're bringing the red, white, and blue. So the New York Times said COBALT blue is the color of summer 2022. So we have some of these wonderful, reusable, chic cobalt blue plates and bowls from JCPenney, because you don't have to break the bank to throw a wonderful soiree. And then also, if you go to the discount store, you can pick up some paper goods that are disposable.
Okay.
So what do you think of that?
Oh, this is really nice. So you can get a flag napkin, get some other flags just to spice it up.
Exactly. Speaking of spicing it up, you need a wonderful red, white, and blue side salad. So Danny, I'm going to put you to work. We are going to start with our beets, which are the red. So you're going to pour into this bowl right here.
All of them?
All of it. That is 3 cups right there.
There we go.
Then we are doing 2 cups of cannelli beans, like so. So that's the white. And then blue cheese. We are doing a 1 cup situation like that. And then we are going to toss this up. And then we are going to finish this with some wonderful pistachios. So pistachios are the snack nut with the most protein, with 6 grams per serving. Wonderful pistachios have some great flavors with their no shells. So we are going to put in some of the chili roasted, and then you just toss that up with a lemon vinaigrette, and voila, the perfect red, white, and blue salad.
Oh, that's pretty.
Which goes perfectly with some sliders. Gotta have some burgers for 4th of July.
So if we're at a pool party, you gotta have drinks.
We need a signature cocktail. So we were doing a red, white, and blue tiki cocktail. So I have some lime juice right here with some watermelon. We are going to muddle this up like so. Then we are going to take an ice mixing tin. We are gonna put 2 ounces of some delicious coconut water. Then we are doing a little ½ ounce of some coconut cream. And then the best part, we need to add some rum. So I have some Angostura rum here. So this is from Trinidad and Tobago. This is aged in bourbon casks, which is going to give it some of that nice honey feel. It's going to give it a little bit of chocolate to it. It's absolutely delicious. Now we're going to shake this up.
All right.
And then we are going to pour this in here. See, we have... And then there we go, the red and the white. And then we are taking a bar spoon in some blue curacao, and we are going to layer this cocktail up for a wonderful red, white, and blue.
That's a nice
signature cocktail, right? Voila, Danny.
Okay, for me.
Yes.
Thank you.
Now that we have the drinks, we need something for dessert, Danny. You have the drink, I'm gonna stick to my dessert. So we have a red, white, and blue parfait. So what I did here was I took some blackberries, took some Greek yogurt, and then I took some strawberries, and I did a nice layering here, and then I topped it with some of the wonderful pistachios, honey roasted, to give a little bit of that sweetness. So this is a better for you option when you're hosting a 4th of July soiree. That's absolutely delicious.
I love it. You're trying to save my calories.
Yes.
And by the way, this tastes like a yummy pina colada.
Yes. Now, after you've had a few cocktails, you want to play some 4th of July trivia, which is a really fun thing to do. You know, after a few drinks, a few sliders, a little salad. So, Danny, let's ask you a question.
I can't look at the answer. Okay. One question.
What actor in Born of the 4th of July was actually born on July 3rd? Tom Cruise, Oliver Stone, or Kira Sedgwick?
Oliver Stone.
Oliver Stone is right.
Woo! All right, we're in. I mastered it. I get an A+.
A+ by Danny.
And you get an A+ for this great spread that you have here. Thank you so much, Paul.
Thanks, Danny.